VAT at the rate of 17% is added each time an item is sold on. The original cost of an item is $112. The item is sold to a wholesaler who sells it on to the retailer. The retailer sells it on to the public. How much tax will the item have incurred, and express the tax as a percentage of the original price. So if we work out each time the item is sold to the how much it would be sold at the selling price, and then I should have the answer to part A. So for A, I can say that the wholesaler, when it is sold to the wholesaler, then the price would be dollars 112 multiplied by, so 17% means increase, so the price is increased by 17%, so it would be 100 plus 17 is 117. So as a percentage it would be divided by 100, so that would make it 1.17%. So I'm going to add that or multiply it with 1.17%. Okay, 1.17. So the wholesaler would pay 112 times 1.17. Now, and then sells it on to the retailer. So how much would the retailer pay? The retailer would again pay 17% tax on this. So the retailer would pay 112 times 1.17 multiplied by 1.17 or 1.17 squared. Okay, so, and finally the public would pay 112 multiplied by 1.17 times 1.17 times 1.17. So that is, the public will have to pay 1.17 cubed, 112 times 1.17 cubed, and that would be 179.38. So that is the amount of money the public is paying. So the question now is, how much tax will the item have incurred? So therefore, tax or total tax would be, you just have to subtract 112, or take away 112 from 179.38. So 179.38 minus 112, and that would give me 67.38 dollars. So the answer would be dollars 67.38. So then the part B, express the tax as a percentage of the original price. So that's simple enough. All we have to do is 67.38 divided by 112 and multiplied by 100, and that will be 60%, ignoring the decimals. So that is because it's 60.16 something. So that's around 60%, rounded up. So the answer would be, express the tax as a percentage, so that is 60%. And that answers the question.